So 183 and Robert.
If you plan on running from the police, doing it on a motorcycle is a terrible idea. And if you do, at least pick a crowded area. This high-speed pursuit in Fort Smith, Arkansas, shows exactly how police handle reckless bikers. Trooper Robert Rome spotted a motorcycle fleeing erratically and immediately gave chase. With lights and sirens blaring, he signaled the rider to stop. But like every suspect in these situations, the biker ignored him and kept going, completely unfazed by the officer right behind him.
Speed's 88. Straight on Midland. I bumped him in the intersection. He got through it.
Instead of forcing a stop, Trooper Rome played the waiting game, knowing that high-speed motorcycle chases often end with the suspect making a mistake. The biker, desperate to escape, weaved through traffic but made a critical error, sticking to open roads instead of slipping into tight alleys.
North end, north. West on North 7, turn north low, headed back towards Midland. Alvin Bradley Senior Lane, or North 8th. Back to North End North. Clear, clear, clear. Alright, there's no traffic. We're about 50 right now. Back on Midland. We're gonna ride. Gonna be heading towards the downtown area if we stay right. Okay, back on this. That's North End. We're passing the water.
His speed was the giveaway. At over 120 miles per hour, his jacket flew up, exposing his back. A clear sign he was pushing the limits. And as expected, that speed became his downfall.
We're coming right in front of the police car now. Alright, behind the jail. Headed back to Wheeler. We're in a parking lot here. Still behind the jail. Going in circles in a parking lot. Headed back towards Wheeler. Alright, we're on Wheeler southbound. Passing South Beach.
I picked up my keys there in wheel and Wheeler northbound still. Don't get out there, let's try to keep locked in. Still northbound, about 120, back in the train tracks. Coming to downtown Fort Smith, about 112. How's your traffic? Light traffic. We passed through the lawyers right now. we hold up together. Hold up. I'll open back up. Hey, walk in, I'll hold it behind it.
Get out! Hey, get down!
Losing control, the suspect crashed off the road, ending the chase without any major incident. Now he faces serious charges, all because he refused to stop. A fast bike, bad decisions, and now an absolute mess.
Get up! Felonies! Get up! You're still misdemeanor! That's it! Misdemeanor at the most. I don't do that. I'll throw that on the ground and stomp on it.
Yeah, it's two Teslas. One's past me, one just took the exit. One's coming at you.
When high-speed chases turn reckless, officers need more than just a PIT maneuver. They need spike strips to take control fast. On July 12, 2023, Trooper James Collins was on patrol when a gray Tesla blew past him at alarming speed. The driver had no intention of stopping, and that only meant one thing. He had something to hide. Whether it was a stolen car or illegal cargo, the chase was now on. With traffic thickening, officers had to act fast. A well-placed spike strip shredded the Tesla's tires, slowing it down just enough for the perfect takedown.
Yeah, somebody's likely still on the ladder. Go 40 on the shoulder, he's go 40. Hold traffic, fit. Yeah, wait. Alright, take the, who's working? I got it, look at that tire.
Trooper Collins executed a PIT, sending the car spinning. The force was so intense that a rear wheel broke off, leaving the suspect with no way out. With nowhere to run, he surrendered. A search of the vehicle revealed a stash of hidden marijuana, explaining his desperate escape. He later claimed he had rented the Tesla for $500 to celebrate his birthday in Dallas. But instead of a party, he got handcuffs. And as for the car's owner, let's just say they won't be happy with what's left of their ride. This chase wasn't just another routine pursuit. Alongside Arkansas State Police, the FBI was involved. Whatever this suspect had done, it was serious. Following the golden rule, you run, we chase, Trooper Freeman locked onto a red vehicle and initiated pursuit.
paperwork.
The suspect wasn't speeding, but heavy traffic made direct intervention impossible. But patience wasn't the suspect's strong suit. He made the mistake of turning onto a deserted road, handing officers the perfect opportunity. Trooper Freeman wasted no time executing two precise PIT maneuvers to bring the chase to an end.
Show me your hands! Don't you put your hands down, you hear me? 32 Rock Pit, FBI out with you. One to go, one to go. Driver, open the door and step out! You hear me? Open the door, step out. Step out! Lay down on your face. 437.
Turns out, the suspect already had outstanding charges from 2023. Now, with additional charges for fleeing and resisting arrest, he's earned himself an extended stay behind bars.
You take the exit, I'll get on the okay. You take the exit, and then you get right back on westbound. Get right back on westbound.
What you're about to see is not just a routine traffic stop. It's a high-stakes pursuit through the roads of Escambia County, Florida. It all started when Florida Highway Patrol's Criminal Interdiction Unit caught wind of a suspect fleeing near Interstate 10. Troopers quickly mobilized and Trooper M. Pepitone took position ahead of the chase. As the suspect's Audi sedan barreled toward him, he activated his lights and sirens. But the driver had no intention of stopping. What followed was a reckless, high-speed escape through busy streets, weaving into oncoming traffic, running red lights, and hitting speeds over 100 miles per hour. The suspect made wild U-turns, dodging officers and endangering everyone on the road. But Trooper Pepitone wasn't letting him slip away. With expert precision, he executed a pit maneuver, sending the Audi tumbling through a ditch before it came to rest upright.
Go! All right, that's a good pit, good pit.
The driver, Noel Almargo Patongo, was quickly taken into custody. Turns out he wasn't just a reckless driver, he was wanted in Wisconsin on multiple felony charges. He also left a trail of destruction, causing 2 hit-and-run crashes and even damaging a patrol vehicle. In the end, his desperate escape only led him to a hospital bed and a long list of new charges. High-speed chases like this show just how dangerous fleeing from law enforcement can be. One wrong move could have been deadly, but thanks to skilled troopers, this one ended with justice served. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be part of our channel family. Have a great day and see you later.